the lights on.
So we got this box right here from our nice, I don't know if we call it a sponsor, but more of a product reviewer kind of review thing. So I saw another, like, 2 YouTubers do a review on this, so I figured I'd say, what the heck, why not? So shout out to Sandra over there for hooking us up with a set of headlights for the W9. So these right here are gonna be H4666 and H6544 black. I'm assuming that stands for low beam and high beam. So her company is XPCTD. I'm assuming it means expected lighting. I never asked, but she seems like a nice lady. So anyway, she overnighted these, and I've had them for about a month now. I haven't been able to do a review because my truck wasn't in the shop. So I'll show you guys how they come if you do buy them. So these are going to be for Peterbilt 379s, Kenworths, W9s, Freightliner Classics, FLDs, 120s, I believe. It's all going to be the same. So nice black box. It's well packaged. I'll give them that. So comes with this manual. Pretty much tells you. It'll tell you approximately how much time it'll take you. It'll show you the tools needed. So you'll need right here it's showing a flat blade screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. In the box, showing 4 rectangle headlights, and then you get 4 adapters in case you have different adapters. And then you have it shows you the adapter wires. Black is ground, white is low beam, red is high beam. Pretty self-explanatory. And this will be the package slip. So now. So they're gonna come, I'm gonna have to flip them upside down. So it's gonna be 4 boxes. Also just all black. So we'll open them one up right here, show you exactly how they come. So you can tell it's never been opened. We got, once again, nice insulation. So you don't, you know how these shipping companies are. So this right here, I don't know which one's the high, which is the low. I guess we'll find out. Pretty much that's how it sits. So pull it out. Inside you have the adapter. So this is the headlight itself. Has the wrap on it. I'm gonna keep that on just so I don't scratch it when I'm putting it on. But otherwise, it's pretty much straightforward plug and play with your stock. Like I said, otherwise, unless you have to use the adapters, which you would hook these in, whether it be here, like so, like that, and then you would plug these into your original wiring. You just pop the other ones out and plug these right in. So pretty easy. I suggest, if you do use this, that you use either hot glue. Hot glue works probably the best, but you can use electrical tape, and also try to use some electrical the conductor stuff, the grease, electrical grease, so you don't so it doesn't corrode when water gets in here, because water always finds its way. So that's one of them. sure they're all pretty much the same. Let's see, just make sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, so they're all pretty much the same headlights. Side note, I bought these. They're adjustable screws because mine are gone bad.
To me or your YouTube
camera? So these are the replacement ones for these. They're longer because those holes get worn out. Okay. Putting the new adjusting screws on. These are not made for this, but the thing is they're longer, but you get the same size. So a lot of trucks, this hole gets worn out. So that part number I just showed you, you're gonna want to get that. It's gonna be for Freightliners and W900s, I believe, Peterbilt. Show you guys the lights. I think I might have started just a little too late. Self-explanatory. You always want to test them and make sure they turn on before you bolt it back in. This plug comes into play. use my center one, so. Yeah. I don't know if that's a high beam or a low beam, no matter what. Huh?
High beam.
Same thing here. Explanatory on mine. You have the ground power high beam. On the other one, you would have the white here instead of the red. It's the only difference. There you have it. There's my old headlight on the left. The new one's on the right. I'm gonna compare the two right now, and then I'm gonna swap out this one too. I'm really liking the way these actually look. You see they match my lights on the bottom versus these. So the smoke look is really nice. It's kind of what I've always been going with, so I'm actually liking that. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on now. We can compare one or the other, and then I'll swap these out. So this is gonna be your high beam and the low beam. With the high beam, they all light up. With the low beam, one in the bottom round one, and the two outside are off. As you can tell, this one is not as bright, but they are bright, just not as bright actually, surprisingly. And these are maximums too. This would be the low beam. lights are on. They look great. Nice and smoked. Let me just remove this. So right now I'll show you the high beams, low beams, etc. There you have it, guys. The lights looking great. As you can tell, they don't look as bright. I don't know about from your angle. They look okay from your angle too. So they don't look that bright. Like right now, when I'm staring at them. But when you're inside and you're looking this way, they work just like regular headlights, but bright. They're LED, so they're definitely well worth it. So let's see if I can get you guys right up here. This is where my eyes are. So it's kind of what you're looking at. And the lower you go down here, you can see how they get brighter as well. So I'll show you guys the RV. As you can tell, the line is for the most part pretty straight, but the thing is, I'm also at kind of an incline up. Now I will properly adjust these at one point, but let me show you the high beams real quick. I know you guys seen that. It's a huge difference in light output with the high beam and the low beam. So honestly, because I am a LED fan, like I have LEDs on this, on the Jeep over there. Well, this is factory, but on the Jeep I have the same style of headlight, LED. We have the same one on this yellow Jeep here. A couple more Jeeps, we have all these LEDs on them. And honestly, I've always been an LED fan, so it's hard for me to grade. I'm still crazy. I would definitely recommend buying them. And I'm actually gonna rock these. I'm not gonna put the other ones back on. I like the way these look, and I like the output out of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Sandra, thank you very much. Sorry for how long it took to make the video, but as you can tell, the truck, there's still tools everywhere. I just got the truck back and I'm still having issues with it. And yeah, so I hope you guys visit the links down below. And for the price, you can't beat it. So there you have it, guys. Until the next one, thank you very much.
Turn all the lights on.